Next ma, here it is. So this is the bit completed ma. Next one more example I will give. So this is the demo user application bit ma. Next few bits I will give. Try yourself only. Here it is. One example bit they given ma. 1 plus I whole power 2n plus 1 minus I whole power 2n equal to 2 power n plus 1 into cos n pi by 2. Prove that this is the bit ma. 1 plus I whole power 2n plus 1 minus I whole power 2n equal this value. Try yourself only. Next one more example, here it is given that if cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal to 0, which is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma, then here the bit is ma, then show that first bit they given cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma equal to 3 into cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is the one bit ma. And here the second bit is sin 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta plus sin 3 gamma equals to 3 into sin of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, this is the bit also they given, and one more bit they given. Ma. Cos of alpha plus beta plus cos of beta plus gamma cos of gamma plus alpha equal to 0. These are the bits ma. Okay, now already this is the bit already we given. So how you can proceed ma for this bit? Simple logic here. Root 2, divide and multiply root 2. If you multiply and divide with the root 2, already 2 power n 2n is there. So root 2 whole power 2n, multiply, divide, simplify, you will get the answer. This value ma. How you can proceed? Just now before one bit we given na, there what we got, let x equal to you can take it as cis alpha, y is equals to cis beta, z is equals to cis gamma. Now directly if you calculate the value, x plus y plus z is equal to 0, you will get it. Okay, just like last lecture. Then if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then what is the value? A cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. This is the formula is there now. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, directly you can get ma a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Basing on this formula, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc, directly here you will get ma x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3abc. Then x cube, what is x value? Cis alpha. X cube means cis 3 alpha. Cis 3 alpha plus cis 3 beta plus cis 3 gamma equal to 3 into xyz. What is the value of xyz mom? Xyz means here you will get mom. If you observe here, xyz is equal to cis alpha into cis beta into cis gamma. How I can add this value? Cis of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Now by replacing here, I can get xyz value is nothing but cis of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Now both sides you can compare the real and imaginary parts. Directly you will get this bit and this bit. Then for this bit, how you can proceed this bit? how you can proceed this bit. For this bit, okay, for this bit, how you can proceed. For this one, you can cross check in the previous what we explained. Basing on this kind of bits, you can try yourself. In the last bit only answer is there for this bit. Try yourself only. Okay. Next. Now, next we will discuss in complex number. This is one more important concept, nth roots of unity. Nth roots of unity. Nth roots of unity. So, what is the nth roots of unity? Generally, number of times we given cube roots of unity, fourth roots of unity. Even in the quadratic expressions theory of equations also we given cube roots of unity. What are the cube roots of unity? I given 1 omega omega square. These are known as the I given cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity. And when I am discussing this bit, I given there x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. For this, roots are omega and omega square. When we are dealing the quadratic expressions, there I given already. Okay, omega is the complex cube root of unity. When we are discussing about the complex numbers, in detail I will discuss regarding this complex cube root of unity. Now this is the time to discuss about the complex cube roots of unity. That too, first of all, we have discussed nth roots of unity. What is the meaning of nth roots of unity? Simple, this is the value. Nth root of unity. If n is a natural number, then if n is a natural number, this is known as the nth roots of unity. And this how you can write, 1 power 1 by n, like this. Now, of course, here I am using cube root of unity. Cube root of unity. So, cube root of unity means we have to get 3 values. Indirectly, here a cube root of 1 is equal to, I am getting 1 omega omega square. What is this meaning? If you cubing on this one, you will get 1. If you cube this value, again you will get 1. If you cube this value, again you will get 1. Okay, na? Square root of a number, indirectly, in general concept, square root of 4 is equal to 2. What is this meaning? If you square this value, you will get this number. Same here also. Nth root of a complex number. For example, nth root of a complex number is equals to alpha. What is this meaning? This meaning nothing but if you find alpha power n value, z you will get. That's it. This is known as the nth root of a complex number. If z is a complex number, nth root of z equal to alpha means where alpha is a complex number. If you made alpha power n, then automatically you will get the value z. But here nth root of a complex number means for this z there are n roots available. That is important thing. How you can find those nth roots, that is important. So first of all, nth roots of unity means nth root of 1 you have to find. Maybe here some way you will get alpha like this. If you power alpha power n, if you did, you will get 1. That is nothing but nth roots of unity. In this nth roots of unity, okay ma, first we will discuss about the cube roots of unity. Okay, this is the definition. Nth root of a complex number or nth root of unity means definition. What is the definition? Simple. If z is a complex number, then nth root of z is equal to alpha, where alpha is a complex number. If alpha is nothing but nth root of z means alpha power n is equal to z is the value. Now here I am discussing about the cube roots of unity. Very very important concept this one. Cube roots of unity. How you can find the cube roots of unity? This is one important point. Now we have to find cube root of 1. What is this value will be? Cube root of unity, which is equals to 1 power 1 by 3. I can write like this one. 1 power 1 by 3. Now this value I can write as cos 0 plus I sin 0 whole power 1 by 3. This is the standard method, not only for cube roots. Later we can discuss about the fourth roots of unity also. Then later we will discuss about the nth roots of unity also. For every bit, this is the method. So first I am discussing about the cube roots of unity. So cube roots of unity means 1 power 1 by 3. Then again, in order to apply De Moivre's theorem everything, I make this one value as cos 0 plus I sin 0. Now this value which is equals to cos of 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi whole power 1 by 3. Can I write like this now? Since cos function, sin function are the periodic functions. After 2 pi, again you will get the same value. What you will get cos theta, cos 2 pi plus theta also same thing. Cos 4 pi plus theta also same thing. Cos 6 pi plus theta also same thing. Since they are the periodic functions, so I can write like this. And one more thing here. We have to find a cube roots of unity. So here k value you can take as 0, 1, 2. For 0, you will get one value, that is 1 cube root of unity. For 1, if you replace k is equal to 1, you will get one more cube root of unity. If you replace 2, you will get one more value of unity. Few students may doubt it, sir, why we can't take 3? If you take 3, what you are getting for 0, again the same thing you will get it. Got the point now? Since we are discussing about the cube roots of unity only. So cube roots of unity only means you have to take k is equal 0, 1, 2. Then automatically you will get the cube roots of unity. A few interested students will be there. Okay, with that interest they will ask, sir, why you are taking 0, 1, 2? I can take 3, 4, 5, 6 also. You may take. You will get again same values. Till 0, 1, 2, what the values you got it. Again if you are repeating, then also you will get the same thing. Okay, so here we are discussing about the cube roots of unity. So it is sufficient to take k is equal 0, 1, 2. Now according to De Moivre's theorem, this is cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 1 by 3. So according to De Moivre's theorem, what is the De Moivre's theorem here? Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n, you can mention as cos n theta plus I sin n theta. This is the De Moivre's theorem. Basing on this De Moivre's theorem, this value I can write as cos 2k pi by 3 plus I sin 2k pi by 3 is the value. That 2k is equal to 0, 1, 2. Now replace if k is equal to 0, which is equal to, if you replace k equal to 0, 1 you will get. If k equal to 0, what is the value? This value cos 0 plus I sin 0. Sin 0 value 0, cos 0 value 1. K equal to 1. If k equal to 1, what is the value will be? Cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3 is the value. Replace k is equal to 2. If I replace k is equal to 2, again what about this value will be cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3 is the value. That is, what is the values That is cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity equals to 1 comma 1 value. Simplify this value. What is this value will be? Cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. What is the value cos 2 pi by 3? Calculate the value. Cos of 2 pi by 3. Cos of pi minus pi by 3. So cos pi by 3 with minus symbol. Then what about that value will be cos 60? Cos 60 minus 1 by 2. Of course minus is there. So minus 1 by 2 plus I into what is value? Root 3 by 2. Okay. Next value, cos of 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3. What about that value? Minus 1 by 2 minus I into root 3 by 2. This is nothing but 1, and this value nothing but omega, and this value nothing but omega square is the value. Okay ma? Simple logic ma. Omega square, which is the greatest value? Omega is greatest or omega square is greatest? Huh? We can't say. Complex numbers na. In complex numbers there is no comparable property. So here there is no comparable property ma. So you can't say omega is greatest, omega square is greatest. We can't say like that. So simply 1 is this one, omega value is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2 value, and omega square equal to minus 1 by 2 minus I into root 3 by 2 is the value. If you are interested na, you can do it. Omega cube value, do it. Omega cube value you will get 1 only. If you are interested ma, you can find omega cube value and omega square whole cube value and 1 cube value, all are equal to 1 only, you will get it. And what is the one more property I given ma? Omega is the complex cube root of unity, and it will satisfy 1 plus omega plus omega square equal to 0. Add them. 1 plus omega square equal to, cross check one time. 1, this is omega, this is omega square. Add them. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 cancel 0. Minus I into root 3 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2. Overall value is equal to 0. So this is nothing but the cube root of unity, and this is the method to find the cube root of unity. Now here we have to take, whenever cos function, sine function are periodic functions ma, you can take cos of 2k pi plus 0, I into sine of 2k pi plus 0. Of course they are periodic functions. That to here k value equal to, we have to take ma 0, 1, 2 only. Even if you take 3, cross check one time. If you take 3, what you will get? Here it is again. 3 get cancelled na. And then what is the value? Cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi na. Again cos 2 pi means 1 only, sin 2 pi value 0. Then again you will get the same thing only. So here the valid point is, in order to find the cube roots of unity, we have to take here in this step k is equal to 0, 1, 2. For example, if they will ask ma'am, find the fourth roots of unity. Okay, that is also we will discuss now, fourth roots of unity. But this is the cube root of unity, and the cube root of unity are 1 omega square, and 1 cube equal to omega cube equal to omega square whole cube equals to 1, and 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Next ma'am. Okay, geometrically, now complex numbers means already I told you na, complex numbers means nothing but 2-dimensional geometry ma'am. So every concept we have to discuss. So here cube root of unity means ma, what I am getting cube roots of unity as? Cube root of unity as 1 omega square. Then how they are related and where they are located? If you observe here, 1, this is one complex number, omega is one complex number, that is nothing but cube root of unity. Omega square also cube root of unity. So now here ma, listen, one important point. Here 1 omega value. What is omega value? Omega square value this is omega, this is omega square. Modulus of omega, do it. What is the modulus of omega? Modulus means the root of real part whole square plus imaginary part whole square, which is equals to 1 you will get ma, which is equal to 1. Modulus of omega square. What is modulus of omega square? Also 1. And that too modulus of z. What I given modulus of z means? Modulus of z means geometrically from the origin to that complex number distance. What is the modulus of that value? Root of x square plus y square. Geometrically, what is that meaning, ma'am? Mod z means this is the distance from the origin to the complex number z. So here also if you observe, modulus of omega equals to 1, modulus of omega square equal to 1, and modulus of 1 equal to 1. So in the organ plane, in the organ plane or Gaussian plane, in the organ plane or in Gaussian plane, how 1 omega square are related? How 1 omega square omega are related? If you observe, here if you observe, let this is origin, let it be somewhere 1, and the distance is also 1 unit, and omega is also one complex number. Modulus of omega equal to 1 means this omega is also at a distance of 1 unit from the origin. Since modulus of omega, what is the modulus geometrical meaning I given, ma? This is the distance from the origin to that complex number. So origin to this complex number omega distance is 1 unit. And what is omega value we got, ma? Here omega value we got as omega is equals to cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. This is only na 2 pi by 3. What is 2 pi by 3 means? 120 degree. This is also 120 degree. So omega is the complex number. This is nothing but 1 into e power I 2 pi by 3. I can write like this na. Omega equals to, I can represent here. Omega equal to 1 into e power I 2 pi by 3. According to the polar form or mod amplitude form, here argument equal to 1, modulus equal to 1, argument equal to 2 pi by 3. What is the argument means? 2 pi by 3 means here it will lie. 2 by 3, 120 na, this is 90 na, somewhere here, some 30 degree. But the distance if you observe na, this is omega position ma. If you observe here, this distance is equal to 1 unit. Like this is distance also 1 unit. But argument, this is nothing but 2 pi by 3 is the value you will get it. Next what is the given here? 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 means here it is 4 pi by 3 means 240 degree. So this is 120 na, one more 120. One more 120 means here it is 60 na, somewhere here you will get it. This is omega square position. This is omega square position. But here also the distance if you observe, what about the distance value will be 1 unit only. Now this is also 1 unit only. This is omega position and this is the imaginary axis, this one, and this is the real axis. Now if you observe here these 3 points are lying on a circle. These 3 points are lying on a circle like this. Lying on which circle? Whose radius is 1 unit. So 1 omega square. These are the cube roots of unity, and these 3 points 1 omega square lies on a circle whose radius is nothing but 1 unit. Why 1 unit means modulus of W equals to 1, modulus of omega equals to 1, modulus of omega square equal to 1, and modulus of this one value also equals to 1. Okay, remember this concept also. And if you join this like this, then what omega square 1 they will form, and 1 omega square they will form a equilateral triangle. That is also important. One position, this is the 1 and this is omega and omega square form a equilateral triangle. So this is completely regarding about the cube roots of unity. Now next concept how you can find the fourth roots of unity. Now fourth roots of unity means, listen all of you. fourth roots of unity. What you will get the fourth roots of unity, and even for this bit also geometrically we will locate where they will lie fourth roots of unity. After that by generalizing these concepts we will discuss about the nth roots of complex number or nth roots of the unity also. Now next let us discuss fourth roots of unity. So now we have to find fourth root of 1. This is nothing but 1 by 1 power 4. This value I can write as cos 0 plus I sin 0 whole power 1 by 4. Next cos and sin are the periodic functions. Cos and sin are the periodic functions. So I can write this value as cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi whole power 1 by 4. Since cos and sin are the periodic functions, I can mention like that. Now next value which is equals to, and here k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 values we are taking. Okay, don't take 4. Again if you take 4 now, again same thing you will get it. According to De Moivre's theorem, this value I can write as cos 2k pi by 4 plus I sin 2k pi by 4, k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now if k is equal to 0, that implies what is the value? 1. That means fourth root of 1. Fourth root of 1 is equal to 1. Similarly, if k is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3, then we get tell me what are the values you will get. K is equal to 1. If k equal to 1, what is the value? 2 pi by 4 means cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 value 0, I sin pi by 2 means I. K equal to 2. If k equal to 2 2 into 2 4 pi. 4 pi by 4 means cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos pi means minus 1, sin pi value 0, leave it. K is equal to 3. If I replace k is equal to 3 here, then what about this value will be 6 pi by 4. 6 pi by 4 means 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 value 0. I into sin 3 pi by 2 value minus 1. So you will get minus I is the value. So that is fourth roots of unity. What is the fourth roots of unity? Equal to 1 comma minus 1 comma I comma minus I, like this. 1 comma minus 1 comma I comma minus I. Next listen, even if you here observe here, sum of fourth roots of unity. Just observe the value. Sum of fourth root of unity equals to 1 minus 1 plus I minus I, which is equal to 0. Either cube roots of unity or fourth roots of unity, if you add them you will get the value 0. And here also 1 power 4 is equal to minus 1 whole power 4 is equals to I power 4 is equals to minus I power 4 is equals to 1 only. Okay, so these also like cube roots of unity. What are the cube roots of unity? 1 omega omega square. Then 1 cube equals to 1, omega cube equals to 1, omega square whole cube also equal to 1. Similarly, if we discuss about the fourth roots of unity, even fourth roots of unity also, sum of the fourth roots of unity is equal to 0. This is one point. After that, if you find the values 1 power 4 equal to this value, whole power 4 if you did not, you will get the value 1. Now geometrically, where the position of the fourth roots of unity. Even if you observe geometrical position of these fourth roots of unity, so here What is the modulus of 1? 1. Modulus of minus 1 value? 1. Modulus of I value? 1. Modulus of minus I value? 1. Means from the origin to this one, origin to this point. What is this point means? 1 comma 0 this point. Minus 1 means minus 1 comma 0 is the point. I means 0 comma 1 is the point. Minus I means 0 comma minus 1. In the complex form, if you mention these like a points, you can get these are the points. And all these points are at a distance of unit distance from the origin. So even here also, if you observe, this is the real axis, this is the imaginary axis, origin. This is 1, this is iota, this is minus 1, this is minus iota. Even there also lies on the unit circle, lies on the unit circle only. If you join these, what they will form? They will form a square. They will form a square. But these are also lying on the unit circle whose radius is equal to 1. And here the difference is 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Simple logic, 360 degrees by 4. So 90 degree. Cube roots of unity means 360 degrees by cube root, so you will get 120 degree, like that. Even if you calculate sixth roots of unity, okay, fifth roots of unity also you can do it. Even the fifth roots of unity also, they will also lie on the unit circle. What about the difference, argument difference between two complex numbers? Here this is one complex number, this is one more complex number. Here the argument difference is 90 degree. Here it is also 90 degree, consecutive values. Similarly, if you calculate fifth roots of unity also, 360 by 5. This is the argument difference between the two complex numbers, consecutive complex numbers. And even these fifth roots of unity also lie on the unit circle. So this is regarding about the nth roots of a unity. That too, here the important point is cube root of unity and fourth roots of unity. These are important. Then later few more points will be there. We will discuss in next class nth roots of unity. Next. Here one example they given. Here the example is, find one example, find all the roots of the equation, find all the roots of the equation x power 11 minus x power 7 plus x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. This is the bit. Subject to bit this one. Find all the roots of the equation x power 11 minus x power 7 plus x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Now listen all of you. So here the given equation x power 11 minus x power 7 plus x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. In these two terms you can common x power 7. X power 4 minus 1 plus x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now x power 4 minus 1 common. If I common x power 4 minus 1, then I can get x power 7 plus 1 is equal to 0. That is, here you are getting my x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0, or one more thing, x power 7 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here if you observe, total x power 11 they given. So x power 11 means there are 11 roots will be there. Of course 11 roots means maybe complex number roots, real roots, like that. So since that is the 11th degree polynomial equation, it has 11 roots. Then how you can find them? Behind this bit concept is nothing but nth roots of unity. So here if you observe what you will get here, it is x power 4 is equal to 1. That implies what is that x value? Nothing but 1 power 1 by 4. 1 power 1 by 4 means fourth roots of unity. So directly here you will get the values. What are the values here? Roots will be, therefore x is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I. So here 4 roots you got already. So this is the one. Then how you can simplify this value? X power 7 plus 1 is equal to 0. So this value x power 7 equal to minus 1. X power 7 is equal to minus 1. Then this value x is equals to, here I can get minus 1 whole power 1 by 7. So 7th roots of minus 1. So 7th roots of minus 1 means like in the previous bits what we did, like that only we have to proceed. So here, which implies x is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 by 7. How I can write this value cos pi plus I sin pi whole power 1 by 7. Next step since cos and sin are the periodic functions. So periodic functions means I can write this value as cos 2k pi plus pi I sin 2k pi plus pi whole power 1 by 7. K is equal to, from where to where we have to take? Our aim is to get 7th roots of minus 1. So 7th roots of minus 1 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Then simplify this value which is equal to, according to the De Moivre's theorem, how I can write this value cos of, how I can write cos of 2k plus 1 pi by 7 plus I into sin 2k plus 1 into pi by 7 for k is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Here maybe you may keep like this value otherwise cis of 2k plus 1 into pi by 7 for k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. If you replace k equal to 0, one value you will get. K equal to 1, one value you will get. K equal to one more value. K equal to 6, one more value. Total how many values you will get 7 values. Those 7 values are nothing but 7th roots of minus 1. So here you will get 7 roots Here already you got 4 roots. Total 7 plus 4, 11 roots for this equation. Okay, this is the method to solve the polynomial equations of higher degree with the help of the cube roots of unity or nth roots of unity. By using that concept you can proceed in this manner also. Okay, next. Okay, thank you.